687 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. It has a 687 liters capacity, which is suitable for families with 5 or more members. LG's inverter linear compressor maintains the temperature with very minimal variations. Further, the multi-airflow cooling feature ensures that the cooling is even throughout the refrigerator. LG SmartThink mobile app lets you control the fridge through a smartphone. The Smart Diagnosis System effectively detects any problem in the fridge that might affect its operation. The multi-digital sensors monitor both internal and external temperatures to keep consistent temperature inside the fridge. The shelves are made of toughened glass. This product comes with installation/demo. You can avail no-cost EMI and schedule a delivery at your convenience. You can also get exchange offer on this product.
It's a sign of the time. Being down, I am done. The end of my trust, a new day has begun. I'll go on and on and on. I'm gonna have my freedom, I'll never survive. I'll go on and on and on.
Presenting LG side-by-side refrigerators with inverter linear technology that gives long-lasting freshness so that you have more time for life. Knock your freedom.